Hi, today I'm going to make this lovely flower called Magnolia Champa. Very easy and very pretty. Materials needed are crepe paper in green, and this is yellow and also orange from one side. So if you don't have this color, you can use a different sheet, but I have this sheet which has both these colors. A thin wire, thick wire, green floral tape and some tissue paper. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the pistil, which is 2 by 4 centimeters. Cut 1 piece per flower. This is of the stamen. This is 2 by 4 again. Cut 1 piece per flower. These are of inner petals. This is 6 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Cut 1 piece. And this is of the outer petal. This is 7 centimeters by 7 centimeters. Cut 1 piece. And this is of the leaf. This is 16 centimeters by 7 centimeters. Cut. For the flower, cut a piece of thin wire. This is about 11 centimeters long. Now take the piece for the pistil. First just stretch it. And then I'm going to fold it with the yellow side inside. Now just cut about 25 mm or 1/4 of a centimeter wide strips, leaving a little on the other side. Like this. Now just apply glue on the inside and stick this. Like so. Now cut a small strip, so just stretch it. But I want this color outside, so I'll just apply glue on the yellow side. And wind it on this wire. Like so. Then apply glue on the base of the strip. Starting from the top. Wind it and bring it down. Covering about 1.5 to 2 centimeters of the wire. Like so. Take the piece for the stamen, fold it in half. Now just make thin slightly triangular shapes. These kinds. So I'll just cut the entire strip. So just open it, and this time the yellow side would be outside. So just apply glue on the base. And wind it. The top of this should be coming at par with the last roll. Just wind it at the same place. Like this. Now take the piece for the inner petals. So this is 6 centimeters wide, and I'm going to divide it into 7 equal parts. So they should be like just slightly less than 1 centimeter. Like this. So now I'll just cut it. Leaving about 1 centimeter on the other side. So you get strips like this. Now starting from the middle of each strip, just give a curvature. And then flip it over. So you get petal shapes like this. Now just carefully stretch each petal. In the middle area. Like so. Just apply glue on the base. And wind it on the center. You may have to give a few creases so that you get the position of all the petals correctly. Like this. You take the tissue paper and cut about 1 inch wide strip. Just fold it, apply glue, wind it from the base of this flower till the end of the wire. Like this. Now I've already cut and stretched the strip for the outer petals. So this was 7 centimeters, so make the divisions 1 centimeters apart, and then in the same manner I have done the rest of the petals. So just apply glue, wind it on this flower. like this. Now take some green floral tape and wind it just about covering the base, not too much. And then on the wire. Like so. Now take anything like scissors or anything and just sort of first, just shape the petals so you will have a few opening, like few petals opening like this. Just curl them out. If you want, you can open the entire flower. That's entirely your option. So I'll just leave it like this. And this is how the flower would look. For the leaf, cut a piece of thin wire. Now this is about 16 centimeters long. Take the leaf. First just go line on it. So you have the center vein. And then you have the side ones. Like this. Then just stretch the edge in different directions so you get a wavy leaf. Like this. Then take the green tape and wind it on this wire. Like this. Turn the leaf over, put some glue, and stick this. So it should have about at least more than 4-5 centimeters of the wire extending beyond. Like this. Now to assemble it all, take a long piece of the floral tape, stretch it, take the thick wire. So I'll start with a leaf. So leave a little bit of the pedicel and then start winding the tape. And take one flower, give one whirl and then attach a leaf. And take the second flower. Attach second leaf. So this way you can attach more leaves like this. So now I'll just open it out. So you open one leaf. And this is how the flower would look.